What up guys, Craig here, Fergie, JKU. Today I am going to unbox and put together a YITAHOME. It's a 3-tier tool cart. It's going to help me in the garage. A lot of times I have things all the way on the other side of the garage, and you carry everything out to your Jeep, start working on it, and then you probably don't, if you're anything like me, you don't put everything away right away, and then you put it all together after the project's done. This is going to be easier. I'll be able to wheel the cart, and I think I'm going to put a vise on one end of it, but let's take a look and see what it looks like. So, open it up. Oh, and it's red. I think these are the wheels. So this is the bottom. Oh, it even comes with a screwdriver. Wheels. Comes with a little wrench. So you don't even need any tools to put this together. All of the screws. Okay, just like that. So you got one screw in, so I'm going to go ahead and fast forward and get the rest of these in. This one has a brake. So I'm going to put both of these on the same side, facing the same, I guess it doesn't matter, same direction, but I'm going to put them on the same side. Alright, got the wheels on. I'm going to go ahead and tighten these down because it'll be harder once the other shelf is on. Use the little wrench they give you. There we go. Alright, now we're going to install these plates. Just want to do it loose. So there you go. Screw each one. I'll tighten it up later. Now I'll just blast through all 4. The screws on finger tight, just so that way I can keep putting these on to make sure they fit. The one with the 2 screw holes in the middle is the top. That's where the handle is going to go. There you go. I'll just finish this one up and then I'll show you the top one. This is the one with the handle. Again, do the same thing. Get one screw in. Alright, now I'll finish up the screws, tighten up, put on the handles. Alright, I got them all on, they're nice and solid. When you tighten them, I'd highly recommend using a socket. It's just so much easier to get to instead of that little wrench that they give you. There are 2 longer screws, and these are going to be for the handles. And then last thing is this. And I'm gonna reuse the top screws. Alright guys, I just finished up my little tool cart, 3-tier tool cart. You know, it's pretty sturdy. I'm pretty happy with it. It's pretty strong. Just make sure you really tighten down all the bolts. But obviously this isn't going to be my main gig. I have my tool cases down there. And so many times I'm working in the garage, or I'm working in the driveway, or I have multiple Jeeps and I have to go back and forth. This is just easy to have out by the Jeeps. I can load it up, easily bring everything back at the same time, and yeah, I'm pretty stoked with it. Check it out. I'll throw a link in the description, and yeah, like, follow, subscribe, all that great stuff. Thanks guys.